So we're gonna go to the drinking fountain. Come on. You didn't shut my door again, did you? Shut my door.
Didn't shut his door.
He never shuts my door. That's sad. What they don't tell you at home is that Zach needs life support to live in. He's being kept alive by machines. It's kind of like Darth Vader is. Maybe one night we should just pull the plug.
Dun dun dun.
Chrissy, we're watching. Pretty hot. Oh, hi, Zach. It's filling.
I've always been kind of mad at Jake when he yells at me for not closing his door. Why didn't the guy just take a chill pill? I mean, come on.
It's almost full, kind of. My arm's getting tired. Can't take it anymore. Must fill with water. Fill. Phil, these are Italian red hair. He says it's Italian. He's got to be Irish. Italians don't have red hair, do they?
I don't know, man.
You're not done yet?
I don't understand things you say. I can't understand a single
Jake has good form. I'm filling the whole undertaking.
I just don't understand.
Hi. How are you?
Good.
Nice coat.
Thank you very much.
We're taping it for future record in case I screwed up. We got it on tape already. It went wrong. There. Push that button. No, push that button. Oh, there you go. Oh, if I had a hammer, I could hammer it down. Hi, Phil. I can hammer it for 30 times. I swear you've got to be Irish. You're not as hard.
The day that love came to play.
Ha! It fits. Oh, it's like drinking. Yeah, it's like bubbling inside. Let's go spill water everywhere. Yeah, sure. Stop drinking the water. Stop it! How am I gonna move it?
This marsupial is known as Jake.
Where am I gonna put it?
Yes, folks, he is our marsupial.
I don't want to put it. I don't want to put it above me because it'll fall on me and get me all wet.